Hi kids, welcome to Kids Craft Studio. Before we started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Let's get started.
Dog, cow, zebra, tiger, monkey, elephant, rhino, yak, deer, horse, sheep, bear, camel, fox, kangaroo, giraffe, donkey, pig, hippo, wolf.
Thanks for watching kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.